Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to stabilize video with CapCut. So if you have swaying or rocking video, you can fix it with CapCut. So for example, I'm going to add a video, just say a rocking video. For example, just say a rocking video. You can just drag here and then how to stabilize, just click video here and you can swipe up in basic. This option, stabilize option, you can just click and you can select this option, recommended, minimum cut or more stable. I think I select this more stable. So you can click play the button for the result. So just simple, that's how to stabilize video in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation and share. Thanks. Bye bye.